Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an easy to build black convertible car that is scaled for minifigures for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x12 chassis. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to take a set of 2x2 double bearing plates. We're going to place these right here where they're in by one stud on both sides. Flip that back over. Right inside the 2x4 opening on the left hand side, a 1x2 plate and a 2x2 flat tile. This is going to be the bottom portion of our seat. Now we're going to make some tail lights, starting with a 1x4 plate. Place some transparent red 1x1 plates on both ends. And we're going to place this right here. And we're going to do the same thing for the front portion with another 1x4 plate and some transparent orange 1x1 plates. These are going to be our turn signals. Place this assembly right here. We're going to lock this together with a 1x4 plate, and I'm going to take a 2x4 by 2/3 double mudguard, place that right there, right above our bearing plates, right here. 1x4 plate. We're going to skip 5 studs, place another double mudguard, place that right there. And for the rear, a 1x4 plate. Back on the left, I'm going to place a 1x2 plate here. Then I'm going to set some 1x2 by 2 corner plates in these areas to wrap around our mudguards. A 1x2 steering wheel console there. And we're going to fill in this spot with a 2x2 plate, and we're going to put a 1x4 brick right here. Then we're going to set a 1x4 flat tile right in that area, followed by a pair of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. This is going to give the rear portion of our basic black convertible nice contour. Then we're going to take some 1x1 by 1 corner wall elements, set these right here. This is going to give a little bit more clearance for the cab portion. For the back of our seat, we're going to take a downwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x3 plate where the pegs are inside the tubes, where it's hanging over by half a stud on both left and right hand sides. Then I'm going to set down a 1x2 plate there. Now I want to crown off all those studs with 5 1x1 flat tiles. And if you want, you can use a 1x3 and 1x2, but for this tutorial we're going to keep it simple. And sometimes 1x1 flat tiles, plates, are hard to line up, so we're going to have to persuade those a bit. First, let's set these on, and then we'll just try to line all those up. There we go, looks pretty good. And I'm going to place this right here, right inside this area. It fits right inside our wall panels. And to finish up this area, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. Now I want to turn my attention to the front. Let's take a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow, set that right there, and 3 1x2 flat tiles to wrap around this portion. And for headlights, a set of transparent clear 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. Gives it that nice boxy look. Right in the center, a 1x2 plate right by the steering wheel. And for side mirrors, I want to take a set of lamp holders and a set of 1x1 flat tiles. I'm going to place that right there. These are silver metallic. Place this one right here. I want to make another assembly, but this time I'm going to put the tile on the other side for passenger and driver's side mirrors. And for doors, a set of left and right hand 1x3 by 1 doors. Place those right there. And for a windscreen, a 2x4 by 2 windscreen. It's right on top of the doors. The doors do open up. Now for tires, I'm going to take one of these really narrow tires and a nice fancy rim. Place the rim inside the tire, and of course we're going to need to make 4 of these. And we're going to populate all the bearings with wheels. I mean, we need 4 wheels to drive the car around. It would be kind of impossible without them. And if you have other styles of rims, you can use those too to complete the basic convertible.